Hey everybody, Denver Pilates girl here. Today we're looking at the Pilates exercise called the Criss Cross. It's in the ab series of 5 and it is the last exercise and it is a little evil. So let's start with the ideal version. I'll show you how to regress it and show you a preparatory exercise that you can use. So we're going to start. We just finished double leg lower and lift. Bend your knees. You're curled up in your little ball. Extend the opposite arm toward the opposite knee and switch. Now look back at your elbow and try to keep your ribs lifted and breathe. Inhale and exhale. And lower down. Now, if you're not able to do that, here's your second version, which is the regression. Your hands are behind your head. You're curled up and lifted. Bring one knee up as you twist and look. Lower it back down. Now stay up in the center. Look back at your elbow crease as you twist. And breathe. Now, if you're not able to do that version, this is a little ab activator. Bring one hand toward the knee, which is your right, and you can actually put both hands on top. Press your knee to your hand and your hand to your knee and just breathe it in and breathe it out. Feel your abs fire up without any twisting motion. And release. Now if you're like, that was easy, bring both legs up. Press your hand to your knee and your knee to your hand. And just breathe it in. Now your hip lines up with your knee, your ankle lines up with your knee. And just press and hold. You can also put your hands down a little bit lower and release. Turn your head from left to right afterward. And the next one up is spine stretch forward. We will cover that one in the next video. But pick which version is going to work best for you. Some days your back might be hurting and you're not able to do the ideal version, which was version 1. So go back to the knee folds, curl your head up, and do the second version until you're strong enough and your core is able to maintain that scooped position, which is your belly button down toward your spine. It kind of looks like if you were to take the air out of a basketball and it were to have that little hump, like it was flattened out. That's what you want your scoop of your belly to look like. So for more tips, subscribe to the channel and I'll keep teaching you the Pilates order as it was intended. And see you on your mat. Bye.